everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 12 by 24 canvas ready to go. I want to give the Dutch pour another whirl. It looks so easy to do, but it really isn't. I struggle with this one. So I figured, why not? Let's try it again, see if I can get the results that I'm looking for. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, you know I love you. Thank you so much for the comments and the thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Okay, let's do this. Oh, let's do show and tell first. My 4 leaky cup painting is dry, and that beautiful painting right there turned out wonderful. Love it, and the gold, just love the 24 karat gold. Okay, there's that one. Then we've got my open cup, which is open split cup, I should say. It's a split cup with no bottom in it. So that one is this beauty right here. And some of the paints were metallic. Turned out beautiful. Love it. And the last one to show that's dry is my 200th video. And that is my beautiful flowers. These just turned out awesome. I'm going to be practicing these flowers some more for sure. Alrighty, there's my show and tell for you. Let's do this. I've got a number of colors picked out. I've got gold, which is the 24 karat gold. Extreme sheen. I've got phthalo green, phthalo blue. I've got an Arteza's Rose Madder. I've thinned it down a little bit with a lighter pink, just to tone it down a little bit. I've got, what's the purple? The purple is going to be Arteza's, oh, that's going to be my metallic. It's called Liquid Metal Purple. And the topaz is Folk Arts Treasures Gold. And that is in the topaz. Beautiful color. Now I've thinned these all down a little bit. And this one's Bordeaux Red, which is Arteza's beautiful Bordeaux Red. Okay, first one down is going to be my red. Let's have some fun here. Hopefully I've thinned my paints down enough. I have a feeling this topaz is just going to get swallowed up in this red, but we'll see. Now, of course, I just got in the door from work. Haven't had dinner. Haven't done pretty much anything but come in and added a little bit of water to my paints. Now my paints are always mixed 50% acrylic, 50% Floetrol, and there's about a tablespoon and a half of water I added in each of these to thin them down. I don't usually add the water, but because it's a Dutch pour, they're supposed to be thinner paints. And looking at some of these, I still might not have thinned it down enough. We'll see how this turns out. It's never a fail unless you don't try, right? So we're giving it a try. Now would be an excellent time for you to hit the notification bell, because I know you've already subscribed, so that you can be notified each time I upload a video. And at the end of this video, Greg always puts a video of his choice at the end for you to stick around and watch another video. So please stick around after this and watch another one. I'd appreciate it. So as you can see, this is going to be a little bit of a colorful painting. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, let's do the gold last. I think I'm going to go basically on the outside of these colors, outside-ish. And then right down the middle, I'm going to use up all this gold. Okay. Do we have enough color down there? I think so. I'm going to put some white down just to flood it a little bit. Now my white is Saks acrylic, 50% acrylic paint, 50% Floetrol, and this has got about a tablespoon and a half of water to thin it out. Let's see how this works. We're going to make some noise here with the blow dryer, bear with me. Going to give that a minute to sit or so. I see some cells happening, which is from the Floetrol. That's awesome. Okay, let's blow this out and see how it turns out. Whoop. Okay, let's stop right there. Love all those colors. Let's give it a quick torch. And I'm just going to grab my airbrush and just blow some of the edges. Now this cordless airbrush is probably the best $60 I ever spent on Amazon. I do have a link in my description if you want to check it out. If you decide to buy one from my link, I will get a tiny commission from Amazon on a gift card to replenish some of my stock. No pressure, just an idea. If you want to treat yourself to something cool when you're painting. You know what? I don't think I want to mess with this anymore. I think the cells popping up are awesome. A little bit right here. I like that I have a little bit of negative space, not very much. This is me just picking it apart as I blow away here. No, I'm totally happy with that. I love these colors. They turned out awesome. Hopefully you can get a good view of that. I'm not going to lift it because I don't want to mess with my painting. I'm really, really loving all these beautiful cells coming up. Let's give it one more quick torch. Alrighty. That was a quick video. Thanks very much, everybody, for joining me. Please remember, stick around, click on the next video, watch that one for me too. And remember, hit subscribe. Thanks so much in advance for doing that. Enjoy, everyone.